A key piece of medical evidence in your case has gone missing. Can you use that information at the time of trial? You want to learn the answer? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is yes, we can use that information. Now, let's say you have a failure to timely diagnose and treat a fracture, and the key piece of evidence in your case are the x-rays that were taken in the orthopedist's office. And now, once the lawsuit has been started, mysteriously, your x-rays disappear. What happens next? Well, at the time of trial, I establish a number of things. I bring in somebody from the doctor's office to establish that they are responsible for keeping those x-rays in the ordinary course of business. That once those x-rays are taken, they are then stored in the proper file cabinet. If you have films, x-ray films, I now establish that they are supposed to have continuous control over those particular films. And the failure to now produce those, we can get something known as a missing document charge. At the end of the case, I will ask the judge to give the jury a legal instruction called a missing document charge. Now, what is that? It's an instruction to the jury that they can infer the worst possible thing because the defense has failed to produce the key piece of missing medical evidence. Now, what does that really mean? If the judge agrees that that charge, that instruction will be given, then during my closing remarks, I will have the opportunity to talk to the jury at length about this missing piece of evidence. Ladies and gentlemen, there's only one reason why these x-rays have never been found. There's only one reason why those x-rays have not been brought into court. And the reason is that if they were favorable to the defense, they would be here. But the reality is they're not. They are damaging to the defense's claim and somehow mysteriously disappeared. And the judge is going to tell you that you have every right to infer that the reason those x-rays are not here is because they didn't want you to see them. Now, that's a very powerful argument. It's called a missing document charge. So if a key piece of medical evidence is missing, I have every right to talk to the jury about it, to request from the judge a legal instruction so to let the jury know what that means, and then to infer the strongest possible thing against the defense because they lost a key piece of medical evidence. So why do I tell you this? I tell you this to give you an insight into how the trial process and legal process works here in the state of New York. And if your claim involves treatment, care and treatment here in the state of New York, what I want you to do is to pick up the phone and call me. If you have legal questions, I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.